Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to take a picture using S Pen as a remote on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that, just remove the S Pen from your phone and this window, just close it. Now I will put back my phone and to open the camera app, just push it long on this button. Now the camera app was open, as you can see. And now to take a picture, just push it short on this button again, like this. And my picture was taken. To see the picture, just push it here, and this is what I shoot before. So, as you can see, it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.